I just got done with my skincare routine and I'm going on a date later tonight, so I'm going to finish things off using one of my go-to fragrances, the Spicebomb Night Vision by Viktor Rolf. This is one of my go-to fragrances because whether I'm going on a date or just hanging out with female friends, without fail, every time I apply this, I will get at least one compliment on the scent. It's comprised of a very large yet brilliant concoction of ingredients like green cardamom, nutmeg, clove, and tonka bean that when combined together produces this really alluring, brilliant scent that is both woody and citrusy at the same time. To use it, following the fun theme of the bottle, I'm going to pull the pin and unleash the explosion of the fragrance by applying it one squirt at a time. I usually like to do both sides of my neck and then a little bit on my wrist. I personally only apply one squirt to each point and apply it to both sides of my neck because of course I want someone to smell this most when they are in my intimate space. And I additionally apply it to both my wrists because the wrists are also pulse points and therefore they're areas of the body that have a warmer body temperature and will allow the scent to develop a bit more. And there you have it. Just like that, I am now done applying this fragrance and I'm ready to go out and anticipate receiving those compliments. So if you're looking for an alluring fragrance to add to your collection and use on your date nights that in my experience, without fail, is going to get you positive responses every time, pick up the Spicebomb Night Vision by Viktor Rolf and you're going to be set.